Okay, here guys, I will show you how you make videos as using InShot or any type of editing app. Okay, here I'm using a tripod or a camera stand. Yeah, here you don't need someone who will work with you or run with you to take videos of yourself, because someone will not like to do a video of you, so you'll make a video that does not make any sense. So you must take videos for yourself. So it's up to you. That's when you're making a video or a vlog, you're looking to the camera or you're editing, like this is someone who's taking a video of you, but you're taking a video for yourself. So you must be able to choose an area that this area is not have much of thieves or street vagrants, so they will take your phone and therefore your day will be a turn off. So here now I'm taking a camera to another side or another position. So now I must go back to a bike. So I must do anything. I can sit down, I can walk around the bike, I can sit on the bike, I can open the box, I can take my helmet. So now I must ride toward on top of the hill of the road. So it's up to me. Just I'm using the one that I'm riding up or the one that I'm riding down. It's up to me. And make sure that's when you're editing the video, you cut out the moment that you dislikes or you don't like. It's up to you. The moment that you're taking the camera, the moment that you are leaving the camera, you're coming toward the camera, you must cut all the stuff out, so the video is not boring anyone. So we are not perfect, we are trying, but we like to teach someone to how to make a video and enjoy.
I'm getting sick and I'm tired of living life this way. Lord, without you here with me, all I seem to do is make mistakes.